Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Before we get into my my normal intro, please hit that subscribe button. You know, things have kind of slowed down. I want to get up to 1,000 subscribers pretty soon. I'd appreciate it if you know, for those of you that stuck with me, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do. And if you already have, you know, please like every video, make comments, share, do what you can, please, to get this channel out there. I'm doing the best I can, trying to give you guys HVAC content. And if you make comments and tell me what you want to see, I can do more stuff. You know, I can't read minds, so you know, let me know what you want to see on the channel, and I'd be happy to oblige. You know, it's all about learning HVAC and having fun with HVAC. It's a great trade. I wouldn't be anywhere without it. So just want to say that real quick. Let's get on with the video. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Thanks for tuning in here. So I'm finished up for today, but I was thinking about something. You know, I just did this, well, I got this job started for this gentleman, this older gentleman, you know, who's on oxygen. He continues to smoke himself silly, and you know, he seems very ungrateful for the work that I'm doing. And you know, I probably shouldn't say that. He's probably just hurting, and it's probably his way of coping with it. You know, he has a hard time just walking across the room. And you know, I probably shouldn't complain about that so much. You know, you know, I have my health, and man, I don't know what it'd be like to lose it. And you know, it self-inflicted or not, nobody deserves to live that way. I just wish he cared more about himself. So I just wanted to say that real quick. In today's video, you know, I go back out to that remodel job, and then after that, I go to a quick cap and go. I love it when my service calls in the afternoon go that way. It makes for a nice afternoon. So I'm back home, relaxing and taking care of paperwork that I need to take care of. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you know, enjoy it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back out. I don't know. I'm still determining whether I want to go out to the remodel job, or I go out and finish his job tomorrow. I can kind of do either way between Thursday and Friday. So we'll have one of those for you tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. So I'm back out at the remodel job, and my brother's going to come out and help me. He missed a bunch of duct sealing in this crawl space. So he's going to come out and help me today. He wasn't going to, but you know, it kind of motivates me more to have somebody working with me these days anyway. I'm getting kind of complacent to where, you know, I kind of get bored sometimes. And, you know, of course, HVAC isn't boring. I just, you know, sometimes you sit by yourself with your own thoughts, and you start thinking about things, and it kind of makes it hard to focus. So having a distraction of somebody working with you helps. Not necessarily the fact that even if they're good help, which my brother's fine with a lot of things, so I'm not gonna badmouth him. But anyway, it's November 20th, 2024, Hump Day. We survived the bomb cyclone that never came more than about 250 miles from the coast. So all that grandstanding BS. If you watch my video from yesterday, I explained to you what really happened with that storm. Didn't affect much. That the media outlets are a complete joke. Anyway, I'm gonna keep plugging away at this. Take care of some loose ends. We got a so here in Oregon, you have to have conditioned crawl spaces. So what I got to do is go kind of maneuver around some of the heat run that I cut in there, and kind of put it back in the back corners, because what they want is they want heat on one side of the crawl space, and then you got to put an exhaust fan in to draw that air across. It just basically adds another HVAC system to you know, to the work you're doing, or another heating zone. That sucks. So And you know, it's stupid because in the summertime, I mean, yeah, you're going to cool that crawl space, but you don't really need that air movement. It's so dry here in the summertime. We get no humidity. So anyway, we're going to keep plugging away. So I'll probably be back out here tomorrow too to do that ducting, because I got to order up the stuff I need to do that. I wasn't prepared for it today. So, and then Friday we'll be back out to do the heat pump portion on that charity job. Sorry, my brain's fried this morning. I got a lot going on. I had like 6 calls this morning. I got a service call this afternoon at 1 o'clock. So as soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna go out to it. It's a heat pump that she's not getting any airflow, anything. It's not even turning on, so she doesn't even have her emergency heat. So we'll go out to that, and then I'll get you shots out there. I'll get you shots out here today. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me show you this, guys, before we do some real work. I know this is the kind of stuff you really want to see. So I needed some new gear, so I stopped at Home Depot. I got a new awesome step bit. Only cost me 55 bucks. I got a new bit set and a new roto hammer set for that goes in my drill, so that'd be nice to have, all different sizes. So I've got 10 different sizes there, and then a new right angle. I lost my DeWalt one, so yeah, did a little Christmas shopping this morning. Gotta love it. Gotta have the tools, man. All right, since we're getting down to the nitty gritty on this project, I'm gonna start by cleaning up all the stuff I don't need down here. I need this 10-inch stuff for the range exhaust, but this stuff I do not, so I'm gonna get rid of all of it, all this trash and stuff over here. All right, I got my Hillmore benders. I got my drill with my spin swage bit on it. Got my pipes there. Got those up there taped off. We'll start with the suction line, then we'll get the liquid line through, nothing brazed. I got my nitrogen hooked up outside. We'll put about 2 psi in the line, and we'll do some brazing. All right, got it reconnected there. As you can see, I'm further out from the wall now, so they won't be able to hit it with a nail again. And I'm not the best at the tubing bender, so of course I have a joint there, but it's okay. I'll show you the outside. Oh, say, can you see? There's the outside, so it'll turn out good. We'll get nitrogen flowing, we'll get her brazed. All right, guys, I got 2.3 psi holding steady going through there, nitro. And I went ahead and took the true suction port off there. So it's got some relief, so it doesn't build up pressure once I'm brazing along. So let's get some brazing done. All right, she's all good in here. I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and braze out there, and I'll try to get you some shots of that. You've seen me braze before, so it's not that exciting. Nitrogen's still flowing. All right, let's get the south side brazed up. See if I can do this one without burning the surround like I did the other side. It was on the inside though. I still got to go put nitro on that other side and charge him up. He's all ready to go. I don't think I'll get the vacuum pump going on this side today because I got to go to that service call. And I got too much pressure going. See, it's through there. It's pushing a little hole right there. So I gotta back off my. Hold on, I gotta back off my nitro a little bit. There we go. It's still pushing through. Come on. Let's see what that does for me. Didn't have any trapped in there. I don't know what the hell's going on. Wanting to push that little hole through there. Dirty dog. Dirty dog. God damn it. Alright, hold on a second. I gotta turn this off. Alright, she's all good under pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off. I'll just leave it under pressure until I come back tomorrow. I'll get the vacuum pump going first thing in the morning. Then we'll recharge this thing. I gotta order up some more 410A so I have it tomorrow. I think I have enough in my canister. Stuff goes fast. I think they cheat you in those. I don't know. I know they cheat me with my nitrogen tanks because I've only pumped up one system and then this one today and it's already low. Pretty ridiculous. They're screwing me. Alright, looks like Matt's doing a good job on the ceiling there. Yeah, it's looking good. I see a couple spots he missed back in there. Oh, right there, that collar right there. Needs that, those seams have to get down too.
I gotta get in there.
And I'm just gonna Volcom this to seal that 100%. The bottom and all that stuff was sealed on the inside, but we'll hit that again just for the fun of it. Can't really see back in here, but got all this all sealed up. Did you get the other side of this one?
No, not yet.
Okay, so we gotta get the back side of those. Things are looking good. Got the. I'll come back tomorrow and insulate all that. I'm gonna get this drain moved over. I forgot to put his neutralizer in, so I'm gonna slide the pump over and put the neutralizer in there. So we'll be good to go on that. Almost there. We'll be out of here this week. And guys, I don't have anything glued yet. I went ahead and nailed a horizontal 2x4 there, and we'll strap him down to that so he's supported. Glue that on. Then we'll go in and glue that down and in. And then I'll use this longer roll of tubing here, put a tiger loop in it, probably over here, and have it run into one of the other ports, probably this port over here. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, got her all nice and in, strapped real nice. Make sure I got good slope. I rerouted this stuff all nice with my little wire ties with the eyelets. I really like those. Really clean stuff up good. And you can see my drain here off the ERV now. Tiger loop down in. Matt's got a little more sealing to do, but we're going to go clean up that trash, load up the extra parts, and I got to go check on the dogs. Alright guys, real quickly heading on out of here. Like I said, I have a service call this afternoon. I'm going to go home and grab a bite to eat. We're going to unload these parts that my brother has in the back of his truck. I'm going to check on my dogs real quick, make sure they don't need anything, and head out to that service call. It's a no heat on a heat pump. I'll get you guys some shots. Look forward to it. Alright guys, heading out to this, I just got done eating lunch. Heading out to this no heat pump. Actually, no nothing. It's not doing anything. I think they even switched their stat into cool to see if it do that. So probably got a problem with the heat pump. Sounds like it's an old Trane XE1200. You know, just like the ones I usually tell them they're tanks and they'll last forever. But you know, maybe we got a leak somewhere. You never know. Let's go out and figure this out. Okay guys, there was no reason to get you any video out here. Quick cap and go. The dual capacitor for the heat pump was bad, completely dead on the compressor and the fan side. I knew as soon as I pulled the panel off, it was bulged. I'll show it to you when I get back to the shop, but it was all bulged out. So yeah, simple little fix in the afternoon. I always love that. Gave her my card. You know, it's an old heat pump, so there's chances are it will need to be replaced at some point. And I'll be the one she calls because I jumped right on it. She didn't even know. I tried to talk to her on the phone about putting an emergency heat, but she didn't want to have it. She just wanted me out to fix it. But now she at least knows how to put it on emergency heat. And that way, you know, if it happens in the dead of winter and it's really cold out, she can keep herself warm until someone can get out. Because middle of January, I wouldn't be able to come out as quick, for sure. So that's a wrap on that. I'll see you back at the shop, and I'll show you that capacitor real quick, and that should be it for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.